Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for when you get old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what came in the May 2022 Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, so I got this about a week ago. Yeah. I'm filming midweek, so let's see how that goes. And I'm sure you've already watched someone else's video by now. But hey, if you're here, give this video a like and subscribe while you're at it. Alright, if anyone's new to what Allure is, it is a beauty magazine. They also have those award stickers, and they have a beauty subscription. This is $23 a month, and you get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size. The rest will be travel, deluxe sample, or sample sizes. It does come with a booklet, which will have full size pricing. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in this box, which, by the way, weighed, I don't say heavy, but heavier than normal. Fancy. Normally we don't get tissue paper in this subscription. All right, first item is big, and I think is what's causing the heaviness. It's from Ahava and is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I was about to say, ooh, all I get from this brand is hand cream, and this was larger than normal, and I was gonna go, oh, but not this time. Yes, we did. I love a good hand cream, so don't get me wrong. It is safety sealed with plastic wrap at the top, so I'm not going to open it up at this moment in time because I have way too many hand creams going. By the way, this is 150 ml or 5.1 fluid ounces, which for hand cream is quite large. And this is, I presume, full size. Yes. And holy cow, this retails for $36. Would I personally spend that for hand cream? No, I'm cheap. But I love getting bougie hand creams in subscription boxes. All right, next item. What do we have here? This is from a brand I'm not familiar with called LATINUS Beauty. Also, I don't know if they go by Allure or LU. And this is the Impossible Keratin Shampoo Control. Oh. It's a shampoo. I will use shampoo samples, but I was just reading. It says for hard to manage curly, thick, or thin frizzy hair. Opposite. I have straight, fine hair. So, it's a shampoo, but I think I'll just toss this in my hair care box for future giveaways and such. All right, what's the next item? Ooh, I see a brand I'm familiar with or heard of from BoxyCharm. This is the Verb Ghost Oil. Again, this is hair care. What? I know Ulta and Sephora are doing their hair care. Is that the norm? Is May hair care month? Leave me a comment if you're jealous. I got this because supposedly this is really good. Do I use a hair oil? No. Should I? I don't think so. I don't know. So yes, let me see if this is full size or not. My first instinct is no, it's too small, but you never know. Yes, thank goodness I looked. This is $18 and is full size at 2 ounces. Holy cow. All right, next item. I recognize this packaging. This is from the illustrious Avant, and it is the hydrolyzed collagen lecithin. Oh, hold on. I started reading all of that kind of eye test script. Let me jump down to there. This here is a collagen intense Radiance Activator Serum, and it's 30 ml. My first thought again with this one, safety sealed, is sample size until I saw the word serum, 30 ml. I bet this is full size and it's going to be super bougie. Holy cow. It is super bougie, but bougier than I thought. This 30 ml full size product retails for $125. Dang. All right, I'm going to put you in my box of Avant products, which is growing. I have collected so many Avant products between add-ons, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, Allure, I want to say Test Tube. Ask me if I've ever tried a product from Avant. I've been holding out to do like a full face of a certain brand, and I think it's time I start doing that. All right, so we have the sister companion to the shampoo. This is again from LATINUS Beauty, and this is the conditioner control. And yep, same thing. Curly, thick, or thin, frizzy hair. That's thoughtful. I hate when you just get a shampoo. Give me the little buddy companion. Okay, and next item, what do we have here? A little teeny tiny sample. This is from, I'm gonna butcher it, Pyunkang, and it's an essence toner. Okay, so this is gonna be Korean skincare. I love essences. I love toners. I'm a lazy girl. Combine the two. One swoosh, one step, 2-in-1. Kill two birds, one stone. Yes, please. All right, next item. What is this? Ooh, I love this brand. This is Roche-Posay, and this is the Anthelios Melt-in Milk Sunscreen. Let me get my little friend and figure out what the SPF is. Well, it says 60. Yeah, wow. SPF 60. I'm currently going through a full-size bottle of similar sunscreen, and I really enjoy it. All right, and the last item, another tiny sample. What are you and who are you from? Apto Skincare, and this is an orange blossom. Ooh, it's a lip balm. So it's probably full size. I thought this was going to be like a little tiny, I don't know, face mask or something. It's the type that has that kind of a applicator. Please smell like orange blossoms. I have like quite the lip products going on. I don't want to mess my lips, but I will try it on my hand. Yes. Smells like orange blossoms. It's clear. You won't be able to see anything. Excellent. All right. This box, even with all the hair care products, which just personally I don't dig, was very good. Price point value going to be up there. As suspected, this is full size and retails for $5. So if I love and enjoy it, I can even afford $5. All right, let's recap everything that came in the May box. We got an orange scented lip balm, a sample size sunscreen from Roche-Posay, a sample size toner from Pyunkang, a collagen intense serum from Avant, a travel size set of shampoo and conditioner from LATINUS Beauty, the Verb Ghost Oil, and the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream from Ahava. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, that's another really good box from Allure. We got 8 items this month. 8. Granted, not all of them are full size. However, not too shabby. And keep in mind, I'm not into the hair care, and I'm still satisfied with this box. I love a good hand cream, and this one is huge. Bougie, overpriced, but it's a serum. I love face serums. I love essence, I love toner, and this one is combined. I love La Roche-Posay. This is a great sample size of sunscreen. I can toss it in my handbag, and if I forget, leave the house, or like, oops, need to reapply, it will come in handy. This is why I will never have to buy a lip balm again, because I get them in my subscription boxes, which I really enjoy. Someone please leave me a comment and tell me when, why, and how I would use an oil in my hair. Keep in mind I have short, fine hair. I understand if you have long hair and you curl it and straighten it and it gets damaged, etc. I get that, but I honestly don't think I'll need this. So this will be set aside for my next giveaway, which, by the way, I am creeping on 900. That only took way too long. So the question is this good enough for a 900 subscriber giveaway, or should this be kept for the 1K giveaway? Let me know your thoughts. Did you enjoy the products in this box? Are you like, hey, I see you, Allure. I used to think you sucked, but now not so much. Or are you still like, nah, pass? I signed up for a year's worth, so I will have this subscription through November or October, sometime in the fall. A few months ago, I was like, I need to reduce how many subscriptions. This was on the short list, but I don't know. if it keeps improving, I might just stick with it and get rid of AIA Beauty. Speaking of which, if anyone's noticed why I didn't do an unboxing this month, let's just say I've been subscribed to that box enough where they repeated the brand. I went on their website to like postpone or skip a month. They don't do that. I emailed asking like, hey, how do I skip a month? The person who responded to my email was like, you can't, but you could be canceled. Didn't ask, do I want to cancel? Just flat out canceled. And so I'm going like this, that at the end of the month for the June box, I can re-up without repaying because I prepaid for 6 months worth of boxes. So stay tuned on any drama on that. But don't you find that a little rude that they're just on their own? They didn't ask. They just, because I inquired, how do you skip a month? They just canceled? Suspicious. All right. I digress. I'm going to list the MSRP value of the box and let's see how much it's worth. I know it's going to be good because the Avant in and of itself was $125. So leave me your thoughts, comments. Let me know if you like the box, if you are sick of Allure, or if you just are here to support me. If so, thank you so much. Speaking of support, if you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, click the thumbs up. There's something about a YouTube algorithm. It really does help with my channel to grow. Once again, I'm almost at 900. All right. Thanks, everyone.